Hello, Metricoolers. Today I'm going to run through a new metric that we just added to our Instagram Reels analytics. So once you're in the analytics section of Metricool and in Instagram, just go ahead and click the Reels button. It'll take you down to your Reels performance as well as your list of Reels. And this is where we want to pay attention because if you scroll, you'll see that we added retention percent. And this is such a good tool to understand what content and what topics really resonate with your audience. Retention is all about how long someone is watching your video. So if your retention is super low, that means that people aren't really loving the topic that you're posting. But if your retention is high, that means that you can double down on kind of those topics and information within your Reels. So next time you go to check your Reels analytics, make sure to look at the retention percentage. This can tell you a lot about your videos because it can tell you if your videos are underperforming or performing well just based on the retention. And if you don't have a Metricool account, don't worry because I will leave a link for you to sign up in the description.